Well, if Intel's Alder Lake CPUs couldn't get any crazier, they just might. Because the latest set of leaks from video cards seems to suggest that Intel are planning on releasing a 12900K S CPU. Now this wouldn't be the first time they released this kind of SKU, because back in the ancient stone age of Intel 9th gen CPUs, they did release the 9900KS. Do you guys remember those simpler days? I do. Anyway, that thing was basically just a slightly higher bin to 9900K, and probably the same thing will be happening here, and just in time, because AMD's new Ryzen CPUs using their special stacked 3D cache technology called V-cache are coming very soon, most likely in either Q1 or Q2 of 2022. And those things promise to completely destroy Intel's Alder Lake lineup, so Intel making this move and hedging the bets just seems kind of like a smart thing to do. The 12900KS will reportedly run at an all-core, or rather all-performance core boost of 5.2 GHz, or 300 MHz more than the base 12900K. That should translate to quite a large real-world difference, especially if you then overclock the chip even further, if you can manage to keep the thermals and the power draw under control. The 12900K is already a pretty difficult chip to drive, and a 12900KS will be even more so. A beefy air cooler or even better water cooling will most likely be required alongside a high-end Z690 board. And if you're struggling to figure out which Z690 board you should pick up, then make sure to check out our entire guide on Z690 boards. It's going to be up in the iCards. It should help you find which board is perfect for you. But let me know what you think of this, and if you're excited for this chip, or if you're going to be buying it yourself. Definitely let me know all of that down in the comments below. Also, hey, whilst you're here, if you're happy with the channel, then make sure to check out our merch store or also our Patreon, because even just $1 a month pledge on our Patreon truly goes a long way in helping out this channel. And I'd also like to thank my existing patrons, Gavin Burns, Ryan, OKB, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcraft, Lance B, and Coming Age Clothing. Thank you guys so much, support truly goes a long way. Down there you're also going to find our Amazon associates links if you want to pick up a Z690 board yourself. Plus, there's also our Discord server if you want to talk to me or at this or whatever else really. Plus, down there's our social media links as well. But anyway, that's what it is, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.